Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how to access Bing Chat in your Android phone or iPhone. So I will show you exactly how to do this. So first of all, you just need to install an app of the Bing AI to use it. So what you need to do, you have to just open your Play Store in case of the Android phone and App Store in case of your Android phone, and then search here for Microsoft Bing search. You have to just search here exactly the same. Once you search it, you will find here the first application which is named as Bing. You have to just install it. While installing, you have to just make sure that you are connected with a stable internet connection. So wait for completing this installation, and after installation you have to just click on the open. Now here you have to just wait for the processing, and here you can note that this is the application of the Microsoft Store. So here you have to just click on the get started, and this type of the pop-up will open for you. Click on the sign in and join, and doing so you will find here's the step of the interface. Make sure that you have an account in your Microsoft Store. If not, then you have to just create a new one as it is related to the Microsoft Store. So after doing so, you will be get noticed in the wait list of the Microsoft Bing, and then after some time you will be able to use it, and then you will be able to get the access to this Bing. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video, and also subscribe my channel Let Me Guide. Thanks for watching.